Success has a need for speed. As a credit repair business owner, as a new credit repair business owner, as a seasoned credit repair business owner, there's 4 things right now that's keeping you from making your first 6 figures, or if you're making 6 figures, multiple 6 figures. You're having issues with lead generation. You don't know how to properly generate leads and monetize leads on social media. The next thing is your conversions. You don't know how to convert these leads. You don't have any e-products, you don't have known books, nothing, and you're losing a lot of sales. The next thing is the ascension ladder. So when a client comes in and you assist them with your product or your service, you don't have a way how to have that same client buy from you 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 times. And the last thing that I see, there's a couple more, but the last thing I want to touch on is your continuity. A lot of you don't have a continuity program, or you do not know how to structure your pricing for your business. So I am hosting a 5-day challenge where I'm teaching credit repair business owners how to generate an extra 6, or if you're making 6, multiple 6 figures. But if right now you think that's unattainable, I'll still give you a framework how to increase your income exponentially. So whatever category you fall in, the framework is true regardless. So on the challenge, I am going to teach you guys how to generate leads and how to convert those leads. Once you convert those leads, I am now going to teach you how to monetize social media. Monetizing social media and your leads are going to be key for you to operate and own a successful business. So I want you guys to click the link below. Click the link below to join the Credit Repair Business Owners Challenge, because I'm telling y'all, success has a need for speed and you need to be tapped in. Let's get it. Let's go.